In this lesson, I will briefly go through the training station. You can follow me with your app. If you wish to do it on your own, go ahead and try the training. You can come back to the video to check on how I place the blocks. Let's start by clicking on the training station. We'll start from the first training. The objective for this training is to have your drone take off and fly forward one tile. You can drag the actions from motion and place it in the order required. We can set the takeoff button followed by forward one tile button. As we click on the press to start button, you will see the drone taking off and flying forward into the goal. Let's move on to the next training. This training is quite simple. You need to set the drone to take off, fly forward 2 tiles. As we click to start the process, you'll see the drone take off and fly 2 tiles forward into the goal. On to our third training. In this training, we will need to avoid the obstacle. We will set the drone to take off, then fly 1 tile left, move 2 tiles forward, and fly 1 tile right. Let's click on the start button. You see the drone take off, fly to the left, fly 2 tiles forward, and make a right turn into the goal. We successfully completed this training. Now let's move on to our fourth training. The goal is to rise the drone. This is also very simple. First, we start by setting takeoff. Then we set the drone to fly up into the goal. Now let's press the start button. You see the drone take off and fly up into the goal. The fifth training will be a practice training where we use all the motions we used in the prior training. First, we start by setting takeoff. Then we set up 2 tiles. Now we need the drone to go around the obstacles. So we set to fly left 1 tile. Then we set to fly 2 tiles forward. Last, we make a right turn to the goal. Now let's start the process. The drone will take off and fly up 2 tiles. Then make a left 1 tile and move forward 2 tiles. Last, it'll make a right turn and enter the goal. Our sixth training objective will be landing on a pad. First, we take off, then move forward 2 tiles. Then we see the pad, so we need to land on this pad. Again, the drone will take off from the pad, move forward 2 tiles into the goal. Let's start the process. You see the drone take off. It'll move 2 tiles forward and land on the pad. Again, it will take off from the pad and fly forward 2 tiles into the goal. Next, our 7th training is quite interesting as we set the drone to shoot a bomb before we fly into the goal. First, we take off and move 1 tile forward. On the tile, you will see a gun. We need to set the drone to equip the gun and fire it. The bomb should be gone so we can set the drone to fly 5 tiles forward to the goal. Let's see how the drone moves. The drone takes off and flies 1 tile forward to the gun. Then it equips the gun and fires it. You can see the bomb explode and the drone will fly forward into the cleared goal. On to our 8th training, which is drop. The objective of this training is to destroy the bomb by dropping the gun on top of it. We take off and move 1 tile forward. We equip the gun and move 1 more tile forward. In the motion, we have a throwaway action that we can choose. As the goal has been cleared, we need to fly down 3 tiles to the goal. Let's see what happens. You see the drone take off and fly 1 tile forward. The drone will equip the gun and fly another tile forward. Now the drone drops the gun on top of the bomb and flies 3 tiles down to the goal. The 9th training will be the last training. In this training, we will be rotating the drone. Once we equip the gun, the drone will not be facing the bomb. We need to choose CW, which stands for clockwise, and rotate the drone before firing. As the first bomb explodes, we will need to fly forward and rotate to face the next bomb. Here we will rotate counterclockwise, so we need to choose CCW. Then we need to fire the bomb and go on to the goal. Now let's start the process. The drone takes off and flies forward to where the gun is and equips it. Now it rotates to face the bomb and fires. Next, he rotates to face the next bomb and fires, and it will fly through the goal. So that was a quick run through of the training station. You can try them on your app as well.